Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I have a really quick one for you guys. It's a recommendation. It's called Sounddraw. And if you're tired of going onto these websites and trying to pay for royalty free music, you can actually just generate it using this software right here. So let's get started. You're going to want to go on sounddraw.com or sounddraw.io and then click on Create Music, and it's going to give you these different genres that you want to generate from. So let's go with running. And it's going to take a few moments for it to load up. And then once you have that, it generated you a bunch of royalty free music, and you can actually click more to generate more. So let's get this one to listen to. So yeah, if this is not your style, what you can do is you can actually increase the volume, increase the energy of the flow. You have it right in front of you, and yeah, I mean, you guys have almost infinite amounts of royalty free music to choose from on this website. So you guys should give it a go. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.